depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Well, the truth is your ex doesn't even think about you. She's not thinking or he's not thinking about you kasi nga dinamp ka niya. But what you want to happen is you want to reverse these things. If you want to reverse these things, I will just give you basic strategies, okay? Kasi minsan basic lang pala ang kailangan mo pero dahil masyado kang padalos-dalos sa buhay, gusto mo malalim na technique agad. Basicin na muna natin. Kung gusto mong isipin ka ng ex mo non-stop, tumakbo ka sa kanyang brain cells ng non-stop. And then, I advise na gumawa ka ng mga bagay na basic lang but it can change the whole game or the whole situation. First thing first, nabalitaan mo naman ang no contact rule. Hindi naman bago sa'yo yan. Pero gusto ko na bigyan mo naman ng konting commitment. Please lang, wala namang masama kung magko-commit ka sa no contact rule. I just want you to be a little bit of committed. So, during the no contact rule, you will feel anxious, you will feel miserable, mamimiss mo talaga siya. At lahat ng uri ng emotion na pwede mo maranasan is mararanasan mo. To the point na matetempt ka na parang gustong-gusto mo talaga siyang makausap. It's an addiction di ba? Parang gutom na gutom, uhaw na uhaw sa response niya or sa pagmamahal niya. But during this no contact rule time, what I want you to do is to contain yourself, to have a self-control. Kasi hindi ka tatakbo sa isip ng ex mo kung wala ka sa isip niya at all. Bakit kasi wala ka sa isip niya? Kasi alam niya nandiyan ka lang. Alam niya kasi na anytime that she wanted or he wanted, pwede ka naman mag-reach out. Easy to get ka lang naman. So wala namang ganong thrill. Kumbaga, hindi mo naman iisipin yung mga bagay na hindi naman masisira, di ba? Like for example, meron kang kotse, you have a car. At yung car mo na yun, hindi naman sira. Umaandar naman na maayos. So, probably, you will never think of that car sa loob ng isang araw, pag nasa trabaho ka. You don't give a shit, right? Because this car is working and it's absolutely working, it's absolutely good. You don't have a problem with this car. Everything is good, everything is smooth. Until one day, biglang nasira. Kapag nasira, may gastos at alam mong hindi mo magamit, that will be the time na mag-iisip ka. What should I do? Nasira yung kotse ko. What should I do? How can I cooperate? How can I fix this car? Saan ako kukuha ng pera? Saan ko ipapagawa? Magkano yung gawa na naman ito? Abala na naman. Magagawa na kaya ito sa ganitong araw? Aalis pa ako eh. So, when you have a problem, you will think about it. So right now, your ex doesn't think you as a problem. He is just thinking you as a person na kailangan niyang iwanan at hindi mo na siya interesado ngayon. Ano man ang rason ng hiwalayan niyo, your ex is not that really into you. Your ex is not that so interested talking to you or having this kind of conversation with you. You're just another piece of dummy. He doesn't even bother to talk to you or just to waste his or her own time. Parang ganun. Ang ibig ko sabihin, kapag kasi nag-start ka ng no contact rule, then you will create a problem in his brain or in her brain. And what is the problem? The problem of not owning you. Wala ka na under his possession or her possession. Parang, I don't own my ex now. At kapag na-feel niya na hindi ka na niya own, doon na abnormal yung mga yan gago yung mga yan Let's be honest, kapag hindi nila na-feel na hawak ka nila at under ka nila ng possession nila, na attract ka sa kanila, doon sila magsisimulang mamroblema na bakit wala ka sa side nila. Basicin mo lang, mag-no-contact rule ka, huwag kang magparamdam, ipakita mo yung pride mo, ipakita mo yung tapang mo na parang sinasabi mo sa kanila na you piece of dummy, you cannot control me. You don't have control in my life and I know what to do. Iparamdam mo sa mga tao na yan na kaya mong iligtas at kontrolin ang sarili mo. And maybe that will be the time that they will start respecting you. Dahil naging problema ka na. Binasican mo lang no contact rule lang, Nafe-feel mo na miss ko na siya during no contact rule. No, contain yourself, control yourself. Coach, wala na yata chance ang bumalik pa kasi ganito, ganyan. No, stop making excuses. Just control yourself, be yourself. Everything about yourself. I want you to become responsible for your own emotion. Huwag kang magpanic. Basicin mo lang. At kapag binisikan mo yan, magiging problema ka sa loob ng bumbunan yan. And that will be the time na tatakbo ka sa utak niya ng 24/7 because you are a problem. And now he is looking forward to fix you. And no, I own you. I possess you. You're mine. You like me, you love me, you're very attracted to me, I am the best man or the best woman in the world. That's the train of thoughts ng ex mo. Ganun siya mag-isip right now. And we want her or him to slap dun sa reality na, I don't give a shit about you. I'm good. If you want this breakup, then fine. I'm good with that. You started this shit, then I'm gonna find this way out. I'll deal with this shit. If you want to find another man, that's fine. I'll find my own way. If you want that own world, then I'm fine. I have my own world. You don't possess me. You don't own me. And you are not my God. Just to be specific with my word. And that is the exact and same word that you wanted to say. Just to slap your ex in his faces. Diba? So, I dare you. Why don't you do that? Why don't you do that? Just have that kind of thoughts. And I think that is a winning system. If you want to win your ex back, you need to run inside his mind. Bigyan mo siya ng problema. Huwag ka muna magparamdam. And just be comfortable with it. But for one-on-one coaching, give us a message sa Philippine Dating Coach. Yo, thanks for watching.